Hey guys, it's Jamie here, my indicator, the binary destroyer, and today is Tuesday the 26th of September. So like I like to do every Tuesday is do some live trading, just kind of show you how the indicator works, and then I do a video on Friday rounding off the week and showing all the results in the VIP group. And the results in the VIP group have been absolutely fantastic today and yesterday. Some really positive results. So this here is version 4.0 of the binary destroyer. Okay, you can see it here. We've got a new logo, and I had to change a couple of sort of like coding in the server, in the indicator, because eventually we'll be having a mobile app. So you basically, you get your phone and then you can just check the binary destroyer on your mobile phone. But obviously we had to, when you are using the binary destroyer on your mobile, you're going to be getting a live feed from somewhere. So that's why I had to change some coding in the binary destroyer for the computer, so they could all sort of link up and work one another. So when you take a trade basically on the computer, you can see that trade on your phone, and vice versa sort of thing. So this is the new 4.0. Noticeably there isn't a lot of difference, but like I said, in the background with the coding there is a big difference. So I just want to go through a trade that I'm currently in. I'm £148 up, and it is on USD Chef. Now the reason why I took this trade, is pretty simple. We can see from we'll start off with the one out. This is a Forex trade. I've been trading a lot of Forex recently because it's a lot more easier when you're trading the destroyer. So if I zoom in on the 1 hour chart, what can I see? I can see a nice sort of lower high coming. You can see a nice little, if I was to draw where's my lines, if I was to draw a sort of trend line there, you can see how the price is going down. You can see that, and the trend dash as well is all telling us the same thing. It's pretty much all red, and I can see using a bit of price action we're making lower highs. So I thought, great, the price looks like it's going to start going down. So this is where I start checking the lower time frames, the 30-minute trade, 30-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frames. Now we're currently on the 15-minute time frame, and this is where I took my trade, because what I can see, is some nice movement, and you can see when the price is in the buy and sell zones, and the signal hours and paired, they are pretty much like gold dust. When you're trading the higher time frames, the 15, the 30-minute, the 1 hour, even the daily sort of thing, the price moves less, which means the destroyer gives off better and more accurate signals. You can see here that would have been a nice win. Again, back to back, this is another nice win, and I'm currently in another trade at the minute. You can see my entry here, and my take profit is round here. I'm currently £243 up now. It is dropping. Reason why I exactly took it is because look, you can see a lower high. That high is lower than there. If I was to draw a little sort of trend line just to sort of show you, you can see that we are going down, and then the price came up into the buy and sell zones, signals appeared, and it's just dropped, and we can all see 5-minute time frame, we can see the nice movement there, 15-minute, again, there's my entry there, and 30-minute is again my entry there, so all three time frames are telling me the exact same thing, which to me, is like the icing on the cake, you know, I know this trade will go into, well, will hit my take profit, which is down here. Just flicking over to the other time frames. This is the 5 minute. Okay, you can see how the price was in the buy and sell zone here. Okay, and the signal arrows appeared here. Okay, now you could say yes, that would be a trade. Okay, and you'd probably get you know, if you took that trade on Forex, if you took that trade on binary, you would have won that. Okay, half an hour trade with binary, you would have won that trade. But with Forex, you would have probably lost it. Okay, but you would have re-entered back up here when that signal arrows appeared there. Okay, and now you would be nicely sailing into the money. I can't move this, but you're probably looking at a good 100 pip you know, profit there. And as we can see, we are still going down, so you know, I could leave that trade running now all night. I'll adjust my sort of my stop loss just to break even, so I'm in profit. You know, and I was also hoping to do a couple of quick binary trades. I don't use IQ options now as my demo, just to show you guys. I use binary options trading. Real reason is because it's just a much more easier platform to trade, you know, to demo on. Okay, because IQ options lag a bit, which isn't really good. You know, so I use binary options. I'll show you what I use. I use binary options demo. It's completely free. They don't use a live account. It's just there to practice on. So you know, I'll just do a couple of trades to show you how the indicator works. So let's try and flick over. See, this would be a good trade. What's this? AUD USD. Okay, is that, what's the RSI telling me? Okay, I'm going to jump in that trade. AUD USD. Let's see if AUD USD gives me an option. Yeah, I think it does. Right, I've jumped in there. Okay, the reason why I took AUD USD, and I think, and you're probably thinking that I'm mad, is simply because again, price is in the buy and sell zone here. Okay, signal arrows appeared. Okay, and we're going with the trend. Okay, so technically, right there where that arrow has appeared, we are now going with the trend because we can clearly see that we are going down. Okay, and the price is in the buy and sell zone. It's also in our strategy as well. We have a strategy where when a signal appears in between our two EMAs, we also take a trade with the trend. And that sort of strategy has been absolutely fantastic in the group. You know, if I go back, you can see how if you take trades when the price is in that when a signal appears inside that zone, are pretty much all winners. But it only works in a trending market, because we can see here, okay, the price is going up. Okay, price has gone into that zone there, practically the buy zone in between the two EMAs. Signals appeared, winner. You know, and again we're here, winner. Again here would have been a winner. And that's it really, and then obviously it's just gone down from there on. So what I'll do is I will pause the video, and you know, I will come back when that trade goes into the money, and we'll see what happens. Okay. Hey guys, right, so I have, well, as you can see, the binary trade that I've took is sailing nicely into the money. Your question now is going to be, how did I predict that? And it's simple really. Okay, we can see that we're in a nice downtrend, so I want to be looking to take trades that are going down. Okay, so I'm waiting for the price to be in the buy and sell zones and signal arrows to appear. You see how we got a signal arrow there in the buy and sell zone? It won. Signal there in the buy and sell zone, won. Okay, these are not in the buy and sell zones and they don't win, so I don't take them. And this one here, okay, was in the buy and sell zone, and it was in the middle of our 200 our EMA strategy, which means nice, perfect, going to be a winner. I'm currently now £310 in my forex trade that you can see I've took. You know, it's been dropping down nicely, and like I said before, you know, the reason why I took it is because all three time frames were telling me exactly the same thing. I'm going to leave it there. You can see my trade there, you know, it's going into the money, but I'm just going to leave it there because the time is now 8:30 GMT time and the markets tend to go a bit flat, so I don't really want to be sitting here for another 15 minutes waiting for that to come in the money. So I'm going to leave that there. You know, you'll see me again on Friday just having a recap and talking about the results in the VIP group, and if you have any questions, just drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.